to our online mathematics lecture series. Today we are going to look into a question from UTME 2017 Mathematics CBT. Question number 6. The question says, y is inversely proportional to x and y is 6 while x is 7. Find the constant of the variation. This is a case of inverse variation where y varies inversely proportional to x. What it means is this: in direct proportion, x is direct proportional to what? Let's assume they are in direct proportion. Y is direct proportional to what? X. But in inverse proportion, you invert it. For an inverse proportion, y is inversely proportional to what? X. What this means is this: as y for the direct, as y is increasing in value, x, the value of x will also increase. But for the inverse, as y is increasing, the value of y is increasing, the value of x will be decreasing. The same thing, as the value of x is increasing, the value of y will be decreasing. So our emphasis is not on direct proportion. I just put it so as to explain something. Our focus is in inverse, when y is inversely proportional to what? X. This is the expression. This is a mere expression. For it to be an equation, you have to remove this sign. For us to remove this sign and replace it with equal sign, we have to introduce a constant of the variation. So for this for equal sign to be here, y will now be what? K times what? 1 over what? X. Which means y is equal to what? K over what? X. So this is the equation. Y is equal to K over X. So let me clean this and bring it up. So we now have the equation. Y is equal to what? K over what? X. So let's make K the subject of the formula. We cross multiply. K will now be what? X times xy. K will come here. K will now be x times y. But we have values here. They say that y is 6 when x is 7. So let's substitute this x and y with these values to find our k. So k is now equal to what? X is what? 7. 7 times what? Y is what? 6. So k is now equal to what? 7 times 6 is what? 7 times 6 is what? 42. So k is what? 42. Thank you very much for your attention. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, comment, like, and share our videos. If you have any question, send us message on WhatsApp, on the WhatsApp number on the screen. We will respond. Thank you very much for supporting our mission. God bless you.